Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today being Tuesday, we have Canadian CPI at 12:30 Ghana time. We have retail sales for USD at 12:30 as well. And looking at the data, course retail sales monthly, we are expecting positive news. Retail sales monthly, we are expecting negative news. So these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us today. So let's go back to the chart. And looking at the chart, yesterday was actually a massive push to the upside, breaking the previous resistance right here, and gold flew all the way to 24.39. So what is likely to happen today? Let me clear this chart. Let's go to daily time frame. And if you look at daily, you can see that after this level broke out last Friday, gold pulled back, right? And after the pullback yesterday, we saw a massive push to the upside. So what's going to happen today as well? Today, now if you look here, you can see yesterday what happened right here. We still have this resistance zone being respected yesterday, 24.27. You can see that gold closed below 24.27, right? It closed exactly at 24.22. So, and we see that this level is being respected for gold to drop again, or it's going to break the resistance for gold to fly. Okay, so if you look at what is happening right here from um, June 27th, when gold gave a bullish engulfing right here, you can see that it has been printing some good um, buy candles, much more than the selling candles. So potentially this resistance can break. All right, this resistance can break. But let's go to H4. If you look at H4 is actually crazy. Now looking at H4, you can see the resistance. H4 has a strong and wide resistance zone. And you can see that yesterday, um, I was even expecting that gold would close somewhere 24.30, but it still didn't, couldn't, and it fell down again. So, and also if you look here, you can see that this resistance too has been broken already. All right, this part has been broken. So it's left with the upper side, the 24.27 level to be broken as well. When that happens, it means gold flies all the way to the previous high, which is 24.50. Okay. So today is gold going to fly all the way to the 24.50 level, or it cannot. Looking at the H4, there is still a potential for gold to come back, pull back to 24.15 levels. According to H4, there can be a pullback to 24.15. Gold can also as well pull back somewhere 24.08. Okay, this thing too can also happen. Gold can pull back here for a continuation push to the upside. All right. So what we need to do is to exercise patience and wait. And this can happen because of how this candle closed. And look at the next H4 candle, how it also closed. Meaning there is some selling pressure. All right. So the market can come back to 2416 zone and even 2408 zone before another push to the upside. All right. Now, if you look here, we can also have some kind of a trend line right here. This one doesn't really make sense, but this one does. Right. Yeah. So according to H4, we can have this. Okay. Yeah. So you can see that we have a first touch, second touch. Now, a third touch is possible. Okay. Third touch is possible right here. 2416 levels. So let's go to H1. Now, if you come to H1, the trend line can be adjusted like this exactly, right? And when the H1, the candle is the trend line is being adjusted in H1. Now you can see that this trend line here is possible. The third touch is possible to happen here at 2410, right? And look at here. Look here, you can see the candles that are printing right here is also an indication that there can be a massive drop, a massive candle selling before the push to the upside. Okay, I'm not saying that is happening, but looking at the candles, it is possible. At least 2416, there can be a selling pressure to those levels before the push to the upside. And at the same time, I'm expecting the third touch right here. Okay, so let's watch out this zone. Let's watch out this zone and see what is going to happen right there. Right. This zone might get touched and push to the upside. But if it doesn't happen that way and H1 candle closes above this level, then the market may keep buying without coming back. All right. So all we need to do is to exercise patience during London session and New York session. We are going to see exactly what is going to happen. Then we can go into it and pick some trades. All right. So expect the third touch. Okay. Expect the third touch somewhere here on the trend line. Okay. We can also push this zone a little above here, such that the market will test this level. Look at this one too. This one too is also valid. Okay. So we have two valid zones. Let me use line for this part. Yeah. So we have one, two. This is a tweezer bottom formation. So the market can come all the way respecting this trend line just here, or it can drop and give you wick and fly. Okay. So whatever happens, what you need to do is to wait. Okay. Just wait and allow the market to do all it wants to do. Once you get the opportunity, you can just go into it and trade. Until then, you wait. Okay. So today, there is a possibility for gold to test the 2450 zone. Okay. The 2450 resistance zone for a continuation push to the upside. All right. So that is all for today. We wait and see what is going to happen. Once you are having exercising patience, you will surely get something to trade. So don't forget this zone as well. Okay, this is also a flip zone. where the market can tap and fly. So we have two zones. Okay, we have two zones already here. Yeah. So watch out. And this one could be the last one. Yeah. Whichever way, I'm still on bullish or gold. Okay. Yeah. So just wait and see what is going to happen. Once you get the opportunity, can go into the markets and trade. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like the video. Comment, share, and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any content we post. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must be. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It's only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in another video and have a nice day.